All right, who do we have here today?
Leah.
And?
Kate.
What are we doing?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes to strangers. You trust me to throw you out even though we just met?
Yes.
You're crazy? You trust this guy?
Yeah.
You are nuts for sure.
Yeah, I know.
Whose idea was this? Her fault if anything goes wrong. Last words, final comments, confessions in case we don't make it to your next birthday.
I'm excited.
For me, it's always the same. Computer, tablet, phone, please burn all of it, buried in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. High five, let's go have some fun. Oh yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Take two.
Oh my gosh. Here we go, guys. You ready to get in, get out of this thing, go have some fun? Nuts. Yep, crazy for sure. High five, high five, high five. Here we go. Holy cow. All right, we made it back. What do you think?
It was awesome.
You had fun, huh?
It was really good.
Yeah, you did
it was
great.
really good. Thank you.
Next time I'll let you open the parachute. Just gotta play with my balls, okay? See out of Colorado Springs?
Hi,
Woo.
thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah.